Hello student, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are fine and healthy. Today we will study children at work remain part. And the first part we had studied that many children are deprived from the education. They forcibly sent for the work. They earn for their parents, though they earn little, but they work hard. And here in this chapter, there is a story of Velu. Velu, who was only 11-year-old and he had run away from his home. Why did he run away from his home? Because his father had beaten him and his sister, and whatever they had earned money snatched, because his father was a drunk man. And that is why he ran away from his village and came to the city. He had came to the city by the train. He had taken the seat in unreserved compartment, and fortunately on that day ticket collector had not come to check the ticket in his compartment. In this way he had reached to the city. In the platform he had seat bench, and here he was so sad because he did not know where to go, because that city was totally new for him. He was so sad, and he just showed the other people. Some people were sitting on their luggage, some people were watching the television, some people were going here and there. And at that time one girl came to him, and that girl wore a banyan which was up to knee, and that girl was collecting the plastic bottles, cups, and the other things. So he wondered why that girl collecting such kind of things, and he also wondered that that girl had worn only a banyan, and that girl also promised him to feed him, and he was hungry, so he decided to follow that girl. On the way there was a traffic, and that girl managed to cross the road with, and here he also helped Velu to cross the road. And here there was a central jail, and Velu, that girl warned Velu not to caught, not to catch by the police, and if the police will catch him, he will be counting the bars. So here Velu wondered that why that girl was telling him. Velu was not able to read English, but he was able to read Tamil. Velu was also wondered that why that girl was collecting such kind of things, and but he had no dare to ask this question to her. Now let's study the further chapter. It was still morning, but the sun blasted down on the tar and Velu's bare feet burned. It was just morning, but it was so hot, and here Velu had no chappal or no slipper, so his feet were getting burned. It was not like walking on mud road. Generally, he used to walk on mud road because in the city there are no roads, pakka roads we can say that. Only stony and mud roads are there in the village. He was choked with sweat, and he was getting sweat also. He tried hard to walk in the shade and keep up with the girl at the same time. He was doing two things, as he was following that girl and he was trying to walk on a shadowy place so his feet cannot get burned. She walked really fast, and that girl was walking really fast. How far away was the food? And here there was a question, as Velu was very hungry, so he was thinking about the food. Then he asked that girl that how far away the food. After almost an hour of walking, so एक घंटा तो होने को आया था चलते चलते. Now they stopped at the building. Sri Raja Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyana Mandapam. Read Velu slowly. Read जो वेलू था उसने रीड किया ऊपर. लिखा था। क्या लिखा था? श्री राजा राजेश्वरी प्रसन्ना कल्याणम मंडपम, अ साइन विथ लेटर्स मेड ऑफ फ्लावर्स सेड, कि वो जो लेटर्स लिखे थे वो फ्लावर्स से थे। ग्रूम मीन्स दूल्हा, जेवी विनिया गन एंड ब्राइड रानी, दूल्हा और दुल्हन के नाम लिखे थे। ग्रूम मीन्स दूल्हा and bride means dulhan. Velu stared at the big cars parked outside. Velu also see many cars that parked outside. One of the cars had a flower garland and roses stabbed onto it, and one car was well decorated with the flowers. The girl looked around. The girl looked here and there, pulled one off quickly, and stuck it in her hair. So that girl was also fond of flowers, so she taken that one of flowers from that decorated car and put her in her hair. Come on, she said. Are we going to eat here? Asked Velu, looking at the huge hall and the people inside. Many people were there inside, so he asked, are we going to eat here? Hops, said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. So that girl said, there's hops, कि कुछ आशा है कि कुछ खाने को मिलेगा. She led him behind the hall. There was a big garbage bin overflowing with rubbish. They did not enter into the hole, but they went behind the hole, and there was a big garbage piles or garbage bin there. एंड इट वॉज ओवरफ्लोविंग, बहुत ही सारी वहाँ पर गार्बेज, गंदा कचरा था और ओवरफ्लो हो रहा था. 2 goats वर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द पाइल. पाइल मीन्स जो ढगला होता है वो. सो 2 goats वर ऑल्सो देयर fighting for a banana leaf, and that 2 goats were fighting for the banana leaf. A cloud of flies buzzed around their legs. There was a rotten smell in the air. The girl picked up a squishy banana and held it out to Velu. गार्बेज से वो गर्ल ने एक बनाना उठाया और वेलू को देती है. वहाँ से बहुत गंदी बदबू आ रही थी. Here is your food. Velu was shocked. Are we going to eat their leftovers? Leftovers means बचा हुआ, किसी का झूठा खाना हम खाएंगे. छी! What do you think I am? A dog? He said. क्या सोचती है? क्या मैं कुत्ता हूँ? I only take untouched food. Here some more. Catch. She threw him a vada. Velu looked at it with distaste. And here, I only take untouched food. उसने वो क्या कहता है? मैं तो किसी का झूठा खाना नहीं खाता. I eat only untouched. किसी का टच किया हुआ ना नहीं हुआ होता है वही मैं खाता हूँ. Here some more. Catch. वो लड़की कहती है कि अरे अरे कुछ और भी है, ले ले. ऐसा करके वो एक वड़ा जो है वो थ्रो करती है और वेलू उसको एक पूरे डिस टेस्ट के साथ देखता है. बिकॉज ही हैड नो टेस्ट, ही हैड नेवर ईटन सच काइंड ऑफ फूड दैट फ्रॉम गार्बेज. सो ही वॉज शॉक्ड टू सी दिस. कम ऑन हीरो, ईट. यू थिंक आई लाइक इट? वो कहती है कि हीरो, क्या तुझे क्या लगता है मुझे पसंद है ऐसा खाना? I told you I will find you something to eat. That girl said that. I told you, मैंने कहा था ना मैं तेरे लिए कुछ मैनेज कर दूंगी. Don't think I have money to buy food for you. You would better eat what you get until you have your own money. That girl said that. तुझे क्या लगता है मैं पैसे खरीद कर तुझे खाने का मैनेज करके दूंगी? जब तक तू नहीं कमाता तब तक इसी से तुझे काम चलाना पड़ेगा. So here, Velu was hungry. He had no money. So he was helpless. Velu hesitated, but his stomach squeezed him again. Squeezed means empty था और पूरा उसका पेट में चूहे दौड़ रहे थे. तो he was helpless. Hesitate तो हुआ, शर्म तो आई, कैसा कैसे खाए. He gulped down the bananas and vada. Gulp down means निगल गया. His stomach felt better immediately. He could have eaten at least 10 times more, but the girl could finish only one more banana which she ate herself. So he has to go. वो और भी कुछ खा सकता था, बट वो गर्ल ने एक बनाना फिनिश किया और वो कहती है कि चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, बिकॉज उसने तो खा लिया, उसके लिए वो सफिशिएंट था, बट इट वॉज नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर वेलू, एंड दैट गर्ल wanted to move forward, wanted to go ahead. It's too early, they have only eaten tiffin. If you are still hungry, you will have to wait for them to finish lunch. वो कहती है कि अब लंच फिनिश हो जाएगा तब वो लोग कुछ फेंकेंगे, तब हमें कुछ मिलेगा, अदरवाइज वी हैव टू वेट. You can wait if you want. That girl said that Velu can wait if Velu won't. If he won't, I have to work. I am going. That girl said that she had work and she has to go. She picked up a bundle of bottles from the heap and threw it into her sack. Then she walked off, and that girl also collected the bottles from that garbage and put those bottles into her sack, into her bag. Velu panicked. He realized that if the girl left him, he had no idea where he was and what to do. And here, Velu was sad, Velu was panicked, Velu was confused, because only that girl was the medium of help, because he did not know anyone in that city. It was better to stick to her. वेलू सोचता है कि चलो इस लड़की के साथ ही रहा जाए, कुछ न कुछ मैनेज हो जाएगा. शी सीम्ड टू नो हर वे अराउंड. ही रेन आफ्टर हर अगेन. वो उसके पीछे दौड़ता है. Hey, he called. He did not even know the girl's name, and that is why he said, Hey, what is your name? He asked, hurrying behind her. Hurrying means दौड़ से, जल्दी से उसके पीछे दौड़ता है और पूछता है कि उसका नाम क्या है. She stopped and turned around. Oh, you have been following me around without even knowing my name. Jaya. She said that कि मेरे पीछे तू ऐसे ही आ रहा है, तुझे मेरे नाम का भी पता नहीं. फिर कहती है उसका नाम जया है. आई एम नॉट फॉलोइंग यू. फिर वेलू कहता है नहीं नहीं मैं तुझे फॉलो नहीं कर रहा. वॉट देन? हु गोट यू फूड? वो कहता है तो और क्या, किसने तुझे खाना खिलाया? कैन आई कम विथ यू? Where are you going? Velu asked. That can he come with her? And where she was going? Come, if you want. This bag is full. I have to go home to get another one. That girl said that her bag was full and she has to get the another one. And also she said that Velu can come with her if he want. Jaya and Velu walked along the roads for half an hour until they came to a bridge across a dirty trickle of water. अब वो वहाँ तक आ गए. वैसे तो वो 1.5 घंटे तक चलते ही रहे. फिर एक गंदी सी एक नाली आई. We are in Triplicane now. See, that's Buckingham Canal, said Jaya. जया ने कहा कि अब हम ट्रिप्लिकेन के पास आ गए और ये बंकिंगहाम कैनल है. वेलू स्टेल्ड. वो घूरता रहा. स्टेल्ड मीन्स गेज. दिस वॉज अ कैनल. नियर सम puddles of water was a row of the strangest hut he had ever seen. They were built out of all sort of things: metal seats, tire, bricks, wood, and plastic. They stood crookedly and looked as if they would fall any moment. You can see in this picture the huts and the tents are made with different things. You can see here. So this kind of huts had seen Velu, which was very strange for him. Metal seats, tire, bricks, wood and plastic. They stood crookedly and looked as if they would fall any moment. कि ऐसे कभी भी क्षण वो गिर सकता है. Is this where you lived? Is this where you live? These houses are strange, said Velu. In our village, the houses are made of mud and palm leaves. Velu said that girl that in his village, the houses are made of palm and mud leaves. Jaya went around to one of the huts and dumped her sack outside. Then she picked up an empty one. Velu put the full of bagged outside and bring one of the empty sack. Let's go, She turned to Velu and gave him a shoe. At least help me now. Here, wear this and come with me. And he had given him shoe. You can see in the picture that she is giving him an empty one and also giving him shoes. She threw him a pair of old shoes without laces and pushed a shake and a stick into his hand. You can see in the picture that she is giving him a shake and shoe which having no lace. Velu was confused. Where work did she want him to do with these things? कि उसको कहाँ कौन सी जगह पर लेकर जा रही है काम करने के लिए? The only work he had even done was on the landowner's farm, weeding and taking cows out to graze. He had done work in the farm in his village. Weeding means जो घास निकालनी होती है वैसा काम उसने किया था और काऊ को ग्रेजिंग के लिए लेकर गया था. Only these things he knew. Are there any farms in the city? He asked Jaya. कि कोई गाँव में यहाँ पर सिटी में कोई फार्म है क्योंकि वो वही काम जानता था. She laughed and thumped her stick on the ground. Farms? There are no farmers here. We are rag pickers. इसने कहा कि farms here. There is no farm in the city. She said that she was a rag picker. Rag pickers? See my shake full of things I collected. That girl said that कि see my shake देखो उसने कलेक्ट किए थे चीज़ें. Collected from where? asked Velu. From rubbish bins. Where else? वो लड़की कहती है कि कचरे के ढगले से. और कहाँ से? बिन्स मतलब जो कचरे की टोपली होती है वो गार्बेज होता है वहाँ से. You collected rubbish? Velu had never heard of such things. उसने कभी ऐसा सुना ही नहीं था. Hey, blockhead, it is not any rubbish. Only paper, plastic, glass, such things. We sell it to Jam Bazaar Jaggu. She said that. A blockhead मतलब here blockhead means fool. उसने कहता है कि fool हम कोई रबीस नहीं उठाते. Only paper, plastic and glasses that they collected and they sell it to the Jam Bazaar Jaggu. This is the name of place कि वहाँ पर वो बेच देते हैं. Velu was puzzled. He was confused. He had heard of people throwing away rubbish. उसने ये तो सुना था people throw the rubbish away. But why would anyone want to buy rubbish? तो फिर एक कचरा फेंकता है तो वही कचरे को दूसरा क्यों कोई खरीदेगा? He was puzzled. He was confused. Who is Jam Bazaar Jaggu? Why is he buying all these? These are the questions that occur in the mind of Velu. You think he buys it for show? He sells it to a factory. Come on, I don't have time to waste like you. He said that girl said that Jam Bazaar Jaggu, that man sell it to the factory. Now she said they don't waste her time. Velu did not move. He hadn't run away and come to this new place to dig through garbage bins. Jaya poked at him with her shakes. उसको पोक करती है मतलब धक्का देती है कि धक्का मतलब लिटिल बिट पुश करती है कि चल उसके साथ कलेक्ट करने. Look here, she shouted. If someone gets there before us, we don't get anything. हमारे से पहले कोई चला जाएगा तो हमें कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. So she was in a hurry. She wanted to fill the another bag. Don't just stand there posing. Big hero, I'm trying to help you. Who filled your stomach today? That girl said that she was trying to help him. And she asked, who filled his stomach today, that day? Velu scratched his head and sighed. Scratch मतलब वो बालों को स्क्रैच करता रह गया. एंड शाइड SIGHD शाइड मीन्स उदास हो गया, होपलेस हो गया. I will do it for now, he thought, until I find a better job. He said that and he thought that he will do the work until he find a new job. तो इस तरह से कई सारे बच्चे जो है हेल्पलेस होते हैं. दे आर हेल्पलेस टू डू सच काइंड ऑफ वर्क. Even they do not get the good education they are forcibly sent for the work. These children earns little and they become the helping hand of their parents. Circumstances are different, not same everywhere. They work in factory, they beg, they collect, they become rag pickers. ये बन जाते हैं, उसके रीजंस भी अलग अलग होते हैं. समटाइम्स उसको सर्कमस्टांसिस, कुछ ऐसी घटनाएं हो जाती है उसके जीवन में, आसपास का माहौल ऐसा हो जाता है कि वो ऐसा काम करने पर वो मजबूर हो जाते हैं. नाउ टुडेज होमवर्क. On page number 13, question 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 question and answer you have to write in your homework book. And also comprehension check 3 on page number 15. Question number 1, 2 and 3. So total 4 and 3 question answer you have to write in your homework book. Thank you.